Alright, so this is a video on how to register and sign in for classes. Once you get to the VAMstudios.net website, you go to the classes menu, and right here you'll see the adult classes 2021 fall. You click on that, it takes you to the adult classes page. Then if you scroll down a bit, you'll see here there's a login register button. That'll open up a pop-up window here, and if you've already registered in MindBody and not our other system, you can sign in here by using your email and the password. And if not, what we're doing today is to create a profile. So you click on that create profile, takes you to a place where you're going to put in your name, email, create a password, address, phone number, your basic contact info. As you scroll down here, you can also, as you see, put in medical information. Here you can either choose to get notifications about classes, schedule changes, and different things like that. And then we have the liability waiver. So you'll have to read through that and then agree to that here at the bottom. And once you input all that information and agree, you can click Create Profile. And once you do that, you can go back to the Adult Classes webpage, and you'll see a calendar here, and you click on the day you want to attend a class, and below will populate with the classes for that day. Now you want to take note here that there's many times two of the same class, but one of them is going to say virtual. So this is something you want to be real careful about. If you're attending in person, you just pick the class that has the name that you'd like to attend. If you are taking classes from home, what you're going to do is make sure you click on the class that has virtual next to the name. And if you're attending at home, in this case, Classic Tap Routines Virtual, you're going to click Sign Up, and it's going to show that class that you picked. You can choose Next. Then you'll be prompted to put in your email and password and click Sign In. Once you do that, you'll get a confirmation that you have signed in for that class. Now you can click View Schedule, and this will take you to a page that will show the classes that you have scheduled. It will also show you the history, class history. It'll show you the class passes that you have. It'll show your purchases, and it will show your account info. So you'll be able to access that through this pop-up window from our website. Anytime you'd like to look at that, just sign in. Now you can also cancel a class. Once you go to your schedule, you just click cancel and it will process that and it will take it off your schedule. So that's pretty much it. We look forward to seeing you guys all in class. If you have questions, let us know at info@vamstudios.net. See you soon. Bye.